Hi, welcome to your NisonFX chart challenge exclusively for those who open an account, a Forex account, through NisonFX.com through one of our recommended Forex brokers. Here's a chart that somebody sent us, and they had talked about this, and they put this in the chart. A very scary, very long bearish shadow. This happens to be an intraday chart. Remember, all the educational resources you'll be getting from NisonFX.com, including these chart challenges and educational video trading tutorials that we call spotlights, work in all markets and all time frames, as well as our trading suggestions and market updates. When we give you a trading suggestion or market update, even if it's not in a market you're currently trading, you'll be able to use the same strategies and same concepts in your markets, in your particular Forex markets. Anyway, my first question is, how should he have traded this very scary shadow? And then the second question is, okay, he was thinking about going long at this green candle. What do you think? Now, just remember, some charting platforms, instead of a white real body, it's a green real body, which means the close is higher than the open. So on the candle here that I'm highlighting, the opening is here and the closing is here. And instead of a black real body, they have a red real body, same concept. So the opening is here and the closing is down here. So question one, think about selling short. All right. So would you be selling short here? Okay, remember the end of the session is over here. Okay, this is the opening, that's the close. And if you weren't going to be selling it here, why would you not be selling it here? Because of that bearish, shadow. Why, in spite of that, why wouldn't you, assuming you're not selling it, or why would you sell it? And then, if you're not doing it here, where would you do it during the session, and why? And then the second question is, he was thinking about going long at this green candle. What do you think? Okay, so put the player control on pause, and then think about question one, and then question two, and then hit play to hear my answer. Okay, the way I would be doing this is I would not be selling short here because the market is at a support area over here. Okay, this horizontal line. These are lines he drew on the left here, but just looking at this time frame here, these candles, you can see there was support here, and support here. So although there was a very bearish, scary, long upper shadow, the market was right at a support area. And by the way, this chart nicely shows the use of Western indicators here. He happens to like Bollinger Bands, is what this is about. And as you continue getting these NisonFX chart challenges or our video spotlights with trading strategies, okay, we'll be adding Western technicals. Again, and this is only for those who have live accounts through NisonFX.com with one of our recommended Forex brokers. So, so the market got to the top end of the Bollinger Band. That was probably a reason it pulled back. Anyway, I would not be selling short here because the market is at a support area. All right, see that? The low is here. All right, now as where I would sell short, okay, we have a little bit more advanced strategy. It's something called a falling off the roof. The Japanese say, let him climb the roof and then take away the ladder. It's a false breakout, essentially. So notice how the market got above the resistance area over here. See that resistance here and here? It got above it. If the market was strong, it should have stayed above it. As soon as it poked its head under the resistance, you could have sold short, kept a stop above the upper shadow, and the target is the support area. So the answer is to this question, part one, is I would not be selling short here because the market's at support. I would think about selling short here, again with the stop over there, okay, with the target to the support area. Okay, now, if you're thinking about going long at this green candle, what do you think? My opinion is yes, but I would do it very lightly. Remember, one of the great advantages you have in Forex is you could have more or less leverage, all right? So there's no particularly bullish candlestick signal here. It's not like a hammer or a bullish engulfing pattern. There's not a piercing pattern because the white candle didn't get through the middle of the black or red real body In this case, the green didn't get through the middle of the red real body. But nonetheless, the market's at support. The small green candle showing the bears are losing control. So I would be long here, lightly long. And my target would be the resistance area over here, from here to here. So let's see what unfolded. Okay. Now, the market's at this point. Okay, so let's say you bought it here, lightly, and the market's at resistance. Here's another question. I'm not going to put the text in. It's just going to be a verbal question. What would you do here if you were long from down here? Okay, would you exit all your long positions? Would you take some profits, or would you let it ride? And think about it for a minute or two. Okay, then hit play when you're ready. All right, what I would do here is I would lock in some profits. Why not play with the market's money, right? The reason I would not take everything off the table is because the market's at resistance, so I take some profits, but there's no bearish candlestick signals, right? So there's still very strong upside momentum, all right? And so that's the way I would be doing this, all right? I would not let it all ride. Again, depends on your trading style. Why not lock in some profits, to, again, like I said, play with the market's money. Now you have this doji-like line. See how everything had changed? Here is where I would exit all my long positions, because now we see a doji-like line telling us the rally is stalling right at a resistance area. All right. So I hope you found this useful. And on this one, we could have picked up a potential, let's say 100 pips or something like that on this particular trade. Again, this is an intraday chart. So hope you found this useful, and look forward working with you as we do more of these NisonFX chart challenges. Remember, this is just an example of what you'll be receiving when you open a live account through NisonFX.com. And as shown here, the sooner you open a live account, the sooner you'll be able to take advantage of these special bonuses. Our Forex-focused trading strategy videos, Spotlights, and Spotlights will be covering our what we call trading triad. Triad is Latin word for three. So that means we'll be detailing candlesticks. We'll be looking at candlesticks plus Western indicators. We'll be having Spotlight video trading strategies on candlesticks with trade management. We'll be giving you a NisonFX chart challenges, a great way to refine and test your knowledge about Forex and candlesticks and Forex trading. You'll be getting market commentaries on an ongoing basis and trade suggestions. Now, as mentioned, these are for live, that is, funded accounts. As a first step, if you're more comfortable, you can open a demo account before you open a live account. And as an idea, and we actually got this from a few clients, consider opening a live and demo account, all right, if you're not ready to trade live. And the advantages of that is you can take advantage of all the bonuses that are available only for live accounts. Okay, they are not available for demo accounts. So the bonuses I showed you in the last slide are for live accounts only. Now, just because you have the funds in the live account doesn't mean you have to trade live. You could still practice with your demo account. And another important advantage is you're going to find, I'm sure from time to time, great potential golden trading opportunities. And if you're only trading a demo account, you won't have the funds ready to take advantage of this potential trade. So by having funds in a live account, they'll be there ready to take advantage of potential golden opportunities. So with that, if you have not done so yet, go to NisonFX.com, open either a demo account to get your feet wet in Forex trading. Again, with the demo account, you will not be getting the bonuses that we mentioned. That's only for live accounts. And for those ready then to go to a live account, you could do that also from NisonFX.com. So NisonFX.com is your resource to open either a demo account, or when you're ready to do the next step and get all the bonuses, open a live funded account.